Good morning, buddies. Who will be the arbitrator when the parties want arbitration? According to the local government code, if the parties agree to submit their dispute to arbitration, the punong barangay as lupon chairman will serve as the arbitrator. He may do so at any time when the case is still in the mediation stage. If the matter is already with the pangkat ng tagapagkasundo, the three members of the pangkat will serve as the panel of arbitrators. They will render the decision if the parties agree to arbitration at that stage. The most important reminder that there must be a signed agreement or arbitration agreement. Your signature is what gives the barangay the authority to issue a decision that has the same force and effect as a judgment of regular court.